This patient, let's call him Sir Arthur Dane. One completely blocked ear, already heavily pre-oiled, and there's something hiding inside this plug that I don't recognise. For a second, I actually think it's a hearing aid filter, and there, much bigger than I expected, complete with its own little keratin tail. Turns out it isn't a wax filter at all. It's pale keratin wrapped inside darker wax. One plug, several colours, all layered together. Every ear tells a different story. Just a few tiny edge pieces remain, but this is where comfort comes first. But wait, before we finish, did you spot that tiny dent in the eardrum? That's where this patient had grommets as a child. Patient number 2, Brian of Tarth. She's back for a routine check, and at first glance this doesn't look like much, but don't underestimate these smaller golden blockages. The oil has hopefully crept underneath the edges. I want the oil there because that's exactly where these blockages usually anchor themselves. Bismillah, here we go. Immediate attachment. That's a very good sign. Much softer than I expected. 2 pieces come away together under one seal. Beautiful. Tiny increase in suction, and out it comes. A lovely bulbous plug with beautifully lubricated edges. Now for the remaining keratin, because leaving this behind means it builds up much sooner. A little deeper. And this comes away effortlessly too. That clear, stretchy skin keratin never stops fascinating me. It almost looks alive. Two different ears, 2 very satisfying removals, and I will see you in the next one. 8 years of blockage in the making, finally gone.